Hi everybody, welcome to this math video. Our geometry math is what is the equation of a straight line that passes through the 2 points 2, 5 and 3, 2. In this math video, you will learn how to find the equation of a straight line that will pass through the points 2, 5 and 3, 2. This is an interesting math. Watch it and enjoy it. Let's start to do this math. To do this math, let x1, y1 is equivalent of 2, 5 and x2, y2 is equivalent 3, 2. Now we know the equation of a straight line x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2 equals 1 minus y1 minus y2. Now we will put the value of the coordinates in this equation. So x minus 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 minus 3 equals y minus 5 divided by 5 minus 2 implies x minus 2 divided by minus 1 equals y minus 5 divided by 3. So now after multiplying the opposite corner, 3x minus 6 equals minus y plus 5 implies 3x plus y equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. So 3x plus y equals 11. This is the answer and expected straight line equation. I hope you have enjoyed this math. If you find pleasure and enjoy this math, please like, comment and check out for the next math video. Thank you.